Now next, number 3, calculate median from the following data. I have written here marks x and number of students frequency, so f. So here this is continuous series 0 to 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50. This is the class interval 0 to 10. So previous class I explained 0 is the lower limit, 10 is upper limit. Lower, upper, lower limit, upper limit. And there is no gap. That's why it is known as continuous series or exclusive series. Also, it is known exclusive or continuous series. There is no break. 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40. So this is continuous series. In continuous series, frequency values are given here. So only one column you have to calculate. This is CF column. So you calculate CF 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 10, 26. Now at this frequency column, total number 26. So here 26 and 26 same. Now next you have to find first the item M, the size of item n by 2. In continuous series you have to keep in mind only n divided by 2, not n plus 1 divided by 2. In individual series and discrete series calculation, we have seen m equal n plus 1 by 2, but in continuous series only n divided by 2. First we have to do it. So n divided by 2, total number 26 divided by 2 equal 13. We get 13 item. So this 13 you have to find out in CF, in which number 13 lies. So here 16, in 16 we can calculate 13. So 16 here, the class, median class will be 30 to 40. 30 to 40. So median class. So now next step is how to calculate median in continuous series. So here we have found the median class 30 to 40. So first you write here lower value 30, then this is frequency, you write in bracket frequency, and this will be cumulative frequency. So frequency 7 and cumulative frequency 9. And next is I. I means width or gap. So 30 to 40 gap is 10. I equal 10. So in this way you write the values. It will be easier for calculation. So now in continuous series, the median formula here I have written L1 means lower limit plus n divided by 2 minus CF by divided by f into I. So now one by one you put the value L1 lower limit 30 plus n by 2 13 minus CF 9, frequency 7 into gap y, I equal I is 10. Now calculate 30 plus 5.71, 30 plus 5.71, 30 5.71 answer. This is the answer of median in continuous series. So in this way, in continuous series, you have to calculate median. This is the formula you have to apply, and basic thing you have to keep in mind, calculation n divided by 2, not n plus 1 divided by 2. So in this way, continuous series calculation of median completed. Next, I am going to calculate mode. Okay.